What's going on, guys? Today we got a C63 and an S63 and we're going to central London to make some noise. Before all of that, we're actually going to eat some KFC, so let's do all of that before we get into this and start making noise. I'm literally recording the same day that I uploaded my last video, which means that I don't even know if you guys like the vlog POV and 360 style. It's something I've been looking to do for a while now because I want to get more interactive with you guys, if that's even the right word. And yeah, I have some big plans coming up soon. Hopefully everything goes to plan. If it does, it's going to be crazy things going on. Oh, I think he's joining. His pops and bangs sound crazy. The map he has on his car is actually insane. I need to get a map like that because my map currently is very aggressive. It's an aggressive map. I have 700 horsepower in this car, but the pops and bangs are not aggressive. It's crazy. So we just finished eating and we met up with like 2 more friends, and they're all gonna jump in our cars. We're gonna go park up the cars and we're all gonna jump in 1 or 2 cars, and it's gonna be very fun. Ow. Put it up a bit. That wind just blows into the mic. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, that 360 camera, I've decided I don't really want to be using it this video because I'm not gonna lie, to export that video into CapCut to edit it takes like an hour, so I don't think I'll be using that. And plus I'd rather low-key do POV instead of the 360 camera for now. But if you guys do like it, do let me know. Why is this guy running a red? Fucking cyclist thinks they own the road, bro. See, I like making noise, however, I don't like disturbing people. Sometimes. This is a giveaway, you have to be careful. Don't get clotted by any other cars.
Yeah, I can't lie, you disturb them, even if you try to be quiet. It's just too loud. He's just a retard.
Yeah, he wants people to wake up. The thing about this car, guys, is I actually love this car. However, the issues that it's giving me, I can't keep it. It turns off randomly. It's just so many problems. I'm not going to list it for you guys, but if you know, you know. Oh my god, that is loud. That is actually so. That's fine, leave it. But this car is going back soon. I hope so, because I'll be honest, too many problems, I don't want to deal with it. I have a couple options. My options is either getting something nice like an M5, an M4, or the other option I have is something crazy that I won't tell you guys just yet. But it's more of a trust the process kind of thing, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my no. My friend, it's green lights, bro. What are you doing? Launch control not active, bro. It is active. It is active. It is active. I was just launching it wrong. I was launching it wrong. I know how to do it, bro. I was doing it wrong the whole time. Guys, you know, I've never ever launched this car before. If you want to see a launch, make sure you guys subscribe, because I'm not gonna lie, I might make a standalone video just where I launch this car.
No, you have to.
Bro, oh my god, that sounds nuts.
That's mental.
Yeah. I'm hearing like the ghost of Notre Dame down there, bro.
That's bad.
First gear pops are crazy, what the hell? Yeah. Puny little Audi S3.
I don't think that's not an S3. That is not an S3.
I think it's an A3.
That's an A3. That's loud. That's loud.
Bro, I don't think these things on top of houses are there. If they are, I'm so sorry, I don't know.
This person just sticking his head out the window the whole time.
I saw him for a second.
Yeah,
What is that?
That's an A3.
That was the most.
There we go. That's what he used to do.
Yeah, I know. Okay, buddy, chill. This is why I don't like sitting down, bro.
It's not.
What do you mean you can feel it?
It's really not that deep.
Like, is it a curb mark or is it a crack?
No, it's not. I don't think it's a crack. And it's a curb, like basically curb den, but you can't see it from outside. You know what's mad?
What?
Wallahi, I came here with my friends one time, the exact same thing happened. But I just completely forgot that it was there. The exact same thing happened to me. I just curbed up. I went onto the whole thing. It's exactly what you did.
Yeah, that's mad.
Bro, fucking hell, man.
Safe. It's a Mercedes.
Is it? It's a BMW.
The escape camera.
That was pretty shit, not gonna lie.
If you had escape.
Is that guy a Fed?
Security.
Bro, why they dress like Feds with their shoulder pads and shit? Ah, fine if you want me to rev it.
Yep.
Bro's checking the curve for me. So the GoPro camera died and now we are back to the vlog, the lifestyle camera.
Where's the McLaren? Oh, you have to try that.
Not gonna lie, it's been an enjoyable night. I actually really enjoyed that. Had some fun, made some noise, met some people. However, I don't know if I got it on camera actually. I don't think I did actually. Oh, that's annoying. It's fun to record these kind of videos. I don't really think it would be fun. Hence why I never actually went to Central. However, now actually going there and recording, can't lie, the content is amazing. However, I would never go on my own way to go to Central because I'm not that kind of city guy. Because that's a Revuelto.
Okay.
Oh my. Oh. We're turning left, bro. The fuck?
Yeah, we have to.
Rev it! Oh. Hey, that sounds decent.
Yours sounds better.
Yeah, it does. I don't want to say it. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that subscribe button, because I want to come out with these videos at least once a week, if not twice. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, because crazy content's going to be coming up.